Hello students, welcome to Akash Live. I'm your mathematics faculty and today we're going to discuss the quick solutions for AIATS for JEE Advanced 2019 test number 4A paper 1. So this particular test covers whole of the syllabus of class 11th and it was held on 27th of January 2019. So let us begin the solution discussion with question number 41. Question 41 based on complex numbers says that let Z1 cube is equal to Z2 cube but Z1 is not equal to Z2, where Z1 and Z2 are two complex numbers. If the area of the triangle formed by joining origin Z1 and Z2 is 9 root 3 by 4 square units, then what is the value of modulus of Z1? So students, we know that how to solve this type of equations. Z1 cube is equal to Z2 cube. We can write it as Z1 by Z2 whole cube is equal to 1. So if Z1 by Z2 is taken as a new complex number, then Z0 cube equal to 1 has three possible solutions. 1 omega omega square. That means Z1 by Z2 has three possible solutions. 1 omega omega square, that are the cube roots of unity. Okay, so we have three possibilities. Z1 equal to Z2, Z1 equal to Z2 into omega, Z1 equal to Z2 into omega square. According to the question, this option is not possible. So these are the two possible cases. So either Z1 equal to Z2 into omega or Z1 equal to Z2 into omega square. By taking modulus on both the sides, I can clearly say that modulus of Z1 is equal to modulus of Z2 because modulus of omega as well as modulus of omega square is equal to 1. So that means these two complex numbers are equidistant from the origin, and since Z1 is obtained by multiplying either omega or omega square into Z2, that means we have to rotate the line joining origin and Z2 by either 120 degree or 240 degree in order to get Z1. Okay, so I need to write down the area of triangle formed by joining origin Z1 and Z2. So area of triangle is given to be equal to 9 root 3 by 4. As I told you, the difference of the arguments of Z1 and Z2 is either 120 degree or minus 120 degree. So the area of triangle can be written as 1 by 2 into modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2 into sine of 2 pi by 3 is equal to 9 root 3 by 4, half AB sine C. So we have modulus of Z1 equal to modulus of Z2. So modulus of Z1 square into root 3 by 4 is equal to 9 root 3 by 4. That means modulus of Z1 square is equal to 9. Modulus of Z1 is equal to 3 simply. Option number B is correct. Okay. So it is a really conceptual problem based on rotation formula as well as the analysis of cube roots of unity. Okay, let us move on to question number 42. Question number 42 based on multinomial theorem says that the number of integral solutions of the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 equals 4, where x1 lies between 0 to 4, x2 lies between 0 to 2, x3, x4, x5, x6 all lie between 0 to 1. So we need the coefficient of x raised to power 4 in the expansion of, for x1 I have x bar 0, x bar 1, x bar 2, x bar 3, x bar 4. This will be the answer for x1. For x2 I have x bar 0, x bar 1, x bar 2. And for each of x3, x4, x5 and x6 I have either 1 or x. So 1 plus x whole raised to the power 4. So I need coefficient of x bar 4 in. Let us apply the sum of GP. 1 minus x raised to the power 5 upon 1 minus x. Over here, 1 minus x cube upon 1 minus x. Over here, it is simply 1 plus x raised to the power 4. So let us take all the terms in the numerator. Coefficient of x bar 4 in. 1 minus x bar 5 into 1 minus x cube into 1 plus x bar 4 into 1 minus x raised to the power minus 2. So let us expand them. It is 1 minus x cube minus x bar 5 plus x bar 15 multiplied by 1 plus 4x plus 6x square plus 4x cube plus x bar 4 multiplied by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 5x bar 4 and so on till infinity. Because I need the coefficient of x bar 4 only, so I have expanded it till x bar 4. Now students will have to gather x power 4 by different possible combinations in the bracket. So first combination is यहाँ से 1 आएगा, यहाँ से 1 आएगा, यहाँ से x power 4 आएगा. So we have 5. Then यहाँ से 1 आएगा, यहाँ से x आएगा और यहाँ से x cube आएगा. So 4 into 4 16. यहाँ से 1 आएगा, यहाँ से x square आएगा और यहाँ से भी x square आएगा 18. Then further यहाँ से 1 आएगा, यहाँ से x cube आएगा और यहाँ से x आएगा. So 8. Then over here 1 x power 4 1. So plus 1. So these are the terms involving 1 from the first bracket. So now x cube from the first bracket. So if x cube comes either 1 or x or 1. So plus 4 into 1 that is minus 4 because minus 1 is here. 2 into 1 that is minus 2. So these are all the possibilities because if I take x power 5 from here I will not get any coefficient. If I take x power 15 from here I will not get any coefficient of x power 4. So what is the final answer? 5 plus 16 21 plus 18 39 plus 9 48 minus 6. 42 is the final coefficient of x power 4 and that means that is equal to the number of integral solutions for this particular equation under the given constraints. Option number A goes correct. Okay, let us move on to question number 43. Question 43 says that the number of solutions of the equation cos x minus 8 sin square x cos square x plus cos 2x minus 2 cos square 2x is equal to 0 in 0 to 50. So we have this equation cos x minus 8 sin square x cos square x plus cos 2x minus 2 cos square 2x. We know that we can easily convert cos 2x into cos square x, also sin square x into cos square x. So let us do it. Convert everything possible into cos of x or its higher powers. So cos x minus 8 into 1 minus cos square x into cos square x plus 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square x minus 1 whole square equals to 0. So you have cos x minus 8 cos square x plus 8 cos power 4x plus 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 into 4 cos power 4x minus 4 cos square x plus 1 equals 0. Students, the terms are getting cancelled. 8 cos power 4x minus 8 cos power 4x, 2 into 4. Then minus 8 cos square x plus 8 cos square x, minus 2 into minus 4. So we have at last left with 2 cos square x plus cos x minus 3 equals to 0. So that is cos x minus 1 into 2 cos x plus 3 equals 0. The second bracket can never be 0 because cos x can never be equal to minus 3 by 2. So the first bracket is 0, cos x is equal to 1. So if cos x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2n pi. So we have 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi and so on. But the interval is from 0 to 15. 15 is a value which is slightly less than 5 pi because 5 pi will be 15.7. So we have only first 3 solutions as the acceptable solutions according to the interval given in the question. Okay, so we have the total number of solutions equal to 3. Option number D is correct. Fine. Let us move on to 44 now. Question number 44 says that the coefficient of x power 45 in the polynomial x minus 1, x square minus 2, x cube minus 3, so on till x power 10 minus 10 is. Students, over here we can easily see that there are 10 brackets. In the first bracket it is x, in the second bracket it is x square, then x cube, so on till x power 10. तो जो x की maximum power होगी वो कितनी होगी? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10, that is 55. And I need the coefficient of x power 45. यानी कि I need to decrease the total power of x by 10. Okay, maximum power 45. I have to find the coefficient of x power 45. So decrease the power by 10. So how can we do that? The possible cases for x power 45 are, if we take x minus 1 and if we take x power 9 minus 9, the sum of powers of x in two cases is 10. For all the other 8 brackets, I will take x bar 2, x bar 3, x bar 4, x bar 5, x bar 6, x bar 7, x bar 8 and x bar 10. So they will give me x bar 45. From these two terms, I am going to take the constant value, that is minus 1 into minus 9. So the answer will be plus 9. For the x minus 1, let us split x bar 9. So x square minus 2 into x bar 7 minus 7. So the constant terms for these three and all the other variables. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 7, minus 14. Then the other possibility, x minus 1 into x cube minus 3 into x bar 6 minus 6. Again, minus 6 into minus 3 into minus 1, minus 18. The next possible case is x minus 1 into x bar 4 minus 4 and then x bar 5 minus 5, which will give you minus 1 into minus 4 into minus 5 minus 20. Then the last possible case with x minus 1 is x minus 1 into x square minus 2 into x cube minus 3 into x bar 4 minus 4. Involving 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, the sum is 10. The answer is plus 24. Further coming on to the next part, I'll start with x square minus 2 this time. X square minus 2 multiplied by x bar 8 minus 8. Straightforward. The second possibility is x square minus 2 multiplied by x power 3 minus 3 multiplied by x bar 5 minus 5. These are the two possibilities. From here you will get plus 16. From here you will get minus of 30. Starting with x cube minus 3, we have only one possibility, that is x cube minus 3 into x bar 7 minus 7 plus 21. Starting with x bar 4 minus 4, again one possibility, x bar 4 minus 4 into x bar 6 minus 6, that is plus 24. The last but not the least is x bar 10 minus 10. Except this, all the variables will be taken, x bar 1, x bar 2 up to x bar 9. So minus 10. What is going to be the final answer? The final answer is 9 plus 24 plus 16 plus 21 plus 24 gives you 94. Minus 14, minus 18, minus 20, minus 30, minus 10 gives you 92. The answer is 02. Option number A is correct. Okay, let us move on to 45. Question number 45 based on conic section says that the number of points such that the tangents drawn from these points to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus a square minus b square equals 0 are perpendicular, and tangent drawn from these points to the ellipse b square x square plus a square y square minus a square b square equals 0 are also perpendicular. Students, we know that perpendicular tangent to a given locus can be drawn from its director circle. We have the first locus as a circle. We need to find the director circle of this circle. The second locus as an ellipse. We need to find the director circle of this ellipse. Two director circles are there. We need to find out the number of common points between these two director circles, because that is my answer. Okay, we need perpendicular tangent to the circle as well and the ellipse as well. So let us find out. The circle is 2x square plus 2y square minus a square minus b square. Representing it in standard form, x square plus y square equals to a square plus b square by 2. We know the radius is root of a square plus b square by root 2. The director circle will be x square plus y square. If this is r square, the director circle comes with 2r square. That means a square plus b square. Let us talk about ellipse. B square x square plus a square y square minus a square b square. Converting into standard form, we have x square by a square plus y square by b square equals 1. So students, what is the director circle? So this is the standard ellipse. The director circle is x square plus y square equals a square plus b square. So here is the surprise. Director circle 1 and director circle 2 are the same circle. So if they are same circle, obviously we have infinitely many points common to the director circles of two given locus. Option number D goes correct. Okay. Let us move on to next section, which contains multiple correct type questions.